front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find Recorder app and click on it. Now tap on while using the app, or only this time just allow. And click on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. You can end your recording and save it by clicking on the square button over here, but you can also add a bookmark if you wish to by tapping on this yellow icon over here. So if I wish to end, I have to click on this button, name our recording and choose save. As you can see, it's here. You can always delete it though by holding it, tapping on the delete icon at the bottom right corner and choosing move to trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!